Hello friends! Today we have a fun craft for you to complete with the help of your teacher or a caregiver. We're making a corncob craft. To complete this craft you will need toilet paper tubes, yellow paint, paintbrushes, green construction paper, liquid glue, scissors, and 2 cups of popcorn kernels. Here's what you'll do. First, paint the toilet paper tubes yellow and then let them dry. Next, cut oval corn husks from the green construction paper that are about 4 inches long and 2 inches wide. When the paint on the toilet paper tubes is fully dry, put liquid glue all over the surface of it. You can use your fingers to spread out the glue. While the glue is still wet, roll the toilet paper tube in popcorn kernels. Finally, glue the husks to the side of the corn cob and let your project dry. Ta-da! Here's the finished corn cob craft. I hope you enjoyed this craft. I can't wait to see what you create. Bye!